Now we are going to study about solid shapes. Okay, the previous section we studied about shapes, two-dimensional shapes only. That is trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus. Those area for finding those shapes we have studied. Now we are going to study about solid shapes. Which are the solid shapes? Any example?
Cube.
Cube, very good.
Cuboid.
Yes, good. Next. Huh?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Good, good. These are the
Pyramid.
pyramid. Very good, very good. So these are the corn. Okay, okay, very good. So these are the shapes we are going to study now. First we will study cuboid, sphere. Yes, good. So this year we will study, first we will study cuboid. After that, okay, first we will study cuboid. After that, cube. Then we will study cylinder. Okay, first we will talk about cuboid. Give me any examples for cuboid. Some examples for cuboid. Anybody?
Box.
Yes, you are.
Cube. Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's cube is not a cuboid. It is a cube. No, it is a
Box.
book. A bundle of book. When we put a bundle of books, it also
And
a.
bots.
Yes, but
Instrument bots.
instrument. That we said instrument box. Instrument box is a cuboid. And how many faces are there for a cuboid?
12.
12.
Hmm?
12.
How many faces?
6.
Anna?
3.
6.
6.
6.
There are
Three.
6 faces. Only 3?
6.
6 faces.
We have 6 faces. 6 faces for a 6 faces. Don't write now. Don't write now. This I will explain. I will tell you when you have to write. Okay. We have 6 for a cuboid. We have 6 faces. First, we will write a heading: solid shapes. Solid shapes. Solid shapes.
New chapter now.
Not new chapter. Next section of the same chapter. From chapter 11, next section to next topic. Solid shapes. Okay. So solid shapes, you said, what are the examples for solid shapes? You can give some examples. Cuboid,
Cuboid. Cube. Cone.
cuboid,
Cube.
cube. Then what you said?
Bots.
Cylinder.
Hemisphere.
Bots.
Box is an example for cuboid.
Cone.
Cylinder, cone,
Cone.
yes, sphere,
Sphere.
sphere. Okay, all these are
Sphere.
examples for solid shapes. Pyramid, pyramid. Pyramid, all these are examples. Okay, you can write the examples of solid shape. These are the examples.
This.
Huh?
You want to write this?
Write the examples. Yes, right. Okay. Okay, next heading give surface area of cuboid. We are going to study about surface area of cuboid. Study surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. Okay, let us start. Surface area of cuboid. Anybody know what is the formula for finding surface area of cuboid? Huh?
Length
Okay.
into height.
Okay, we will discuss. We will discuss. Okay. See, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Hmm?
I can't see properly. Colgate.
Ah.
Ma'am, Colgate.
Colgate.
What is the shape of this?
Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Ah,
Cuboid.
this is a cuboidal box. Huh? And how many faces are there? 1, 2,
2,
3,
4,
4, 5.
6 faces.
Okay, 6 faces are there. This is the front face. Hmm? Front face. Can you see this front face?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, just opposite
Yes.
is back face. Hmm? Back face, and these two are side
Side
faces.
face.
Side faces. Can you see, all of you? Can you see
Ma'am.
properly?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
And top and bottom.
No.
Top. Who can't see? Christo? Can't see?
Ma'am, breaking.
I can see, ma'am.
Who?
Sometime breaking, ma'am.
Sometime, not maybe because of your net, connectivity problems, Aline. Okay. Okay. So this is a cuboidal box. It has 6 faces: top and bottom. Top face, bottom face, and 2 side faces. Okay.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay. Can you see me now? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the
Ma'am.
cuboidal box, top, bottom, top face, bottom face. Understood thoroughly the shape of a cuboid. Then only we can do problems. When problem comes, they will say top face, bottom face, side face. So you should understood which are top, bottom, back, front, and side. Top face, bottom face. This is front face, back face, and 2 side faces. Okay. Aquarium, isn't it? Aquarium. How many of you have aquarium in your houses?
I have.
I have.
Raise the hand.
Dun, 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 dun,
Okay. Maybe some of you have a oval shape, like, and we are here we are discussing about aquarium of this, a rectangular aquarium. Okay, we can see in parks, we can, when we are going for some shows, exhibitions, we can see rectangle shaped aquariums. Okay, and from the front of the aquarium,
Ma'am. Kailandu. Ma'am. Dun. Ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? So bad.
Am I audible to you? Children,
Yes,
am I audible?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay. We will come back. Okay, so we discussed about what? We discussed about what?
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Cuboid. After that?
Faces.
Huh?
Faces.
area of
Faces.
bird.
Okay, after that, I am
Keyboard.
explaining an example. What was that?
Aquarium.
Aquarium. Okay, we are
Aquarium.
discussing about aquarium. So a rectangular shaped aquarium has, from the front face we can see the fish inside. Okay, and back side and this side faces will be closed. We can see, usually we will see from the front side we can see the fish. Okay, and sometimes the top of the aquarium is not closed, isn't it? No, it was open, so there no top face. That portion will be opened for aquarium. So when we are discussing about such shapes, we have to think which sides will be there and which sides will not be there. That also we have to think. I am giving you an example. For aquarium, usually top faces are not there. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to find the surface area of cuboid. First, we will going to study the surface area of cuboid. All of you know that cuboid has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cuboid has 6 faces. Also, a cuboid has 2 areas. First one is lateral surface area. First one is lateral surface area and second one is total surface area. Lateral surface area and yes, right. First is lateral surface area and total surface area. Lateral surface area means it is the area of the 4 sides. Area of the front, back and the 2 side faces. Lateral surface area is the area of the sides, 4 sides, front, back and the 2 end sides. Okay. This is the lateral surface area, excluding the top and bottom. Removing the top and bottom. remains is the lateral surface area. Okay, all of you look at the four walls of your room. All of you look at the four walls of the room. That is the lateral surface area of the room. Exclude the top and bottom. Okay, the floor and ceiling, excluding the ceiling and the floor, the remains are four walls. It is the lateral surface area of your room. Understood what are lateral surface area? But it is the area of four sides only. Four sides. Understood? Understood, Anugrah? What is
Yes,
lateral
ma'am.
surface area? Alan, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will discuss what is total surface area. Total surface area means it is the sum of lateral surface area plus the top and bottom, the whole surface area. Okay. It will include all the 6 faces. Total surface area include all the 6 faces. Both for your room, it is top and bottom, that is ceiling and floor, along with the four side walls. All together will give total surface area. Lateral surface area usually we will denote LSA. Total surface area we denote TSA. LSA is lateral surface area. TSA is total surface area. Okay. So it has area we are actually one area. Total surface area means the whole area, and sides we will say lateral surface area. Now we are going to find what are the formula for lateral surface area and what are the formula for lateral surface area and total surface area. Okay. Now we will find lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. We are going to find the lateral surface area of cuboid. Let us start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Lateral surface, for lateral surface area, we need the four sides. Okay. So, first of all, consider the front side. Can you see the front side? It is, what is the shape of this front face?
Rectangle.
It is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. So it has length and this one is, it is the, this,
Breadth.
what is this? Is this breadth? It is the height. Okay. Okay. This is the height. Breadth is this area, this length. Breadth is this length. For this rectangle cuboid, for this cuboid, this is breadth, this is height, and it is length. Understood? Length,
Yes, ma'am.
height, breadth. Length, height, breadth. All of you understood what are
Yes, ma'am.
height, length, and breadth? Okay, so for this front face is rectangular in shape, and we know that its area will be L into what is this? L into
Height.
Height.
height, L into H.
Height.
Okay, L into H. And just like the front face, we have one in back.
Back.
That area of that face also L into H. L into H. So we have LH plus LH.
LH.
2LH. All of you understood how that 2LH came?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are finding the lateral surface area, that is front, back, and these two sides. Front we have length and height. Same way for back also we have length and height. So LH plus LH plus, oh, sorry. Okay. So next we have two sides. Two sides. Okay. Sides have, this is height. What about this length? This length is, this is height. This is,
Vertex.
this length is, what is this length?
Square.
This is height. This is length. What about this length? This is breadth. So sides have height and breadth. So its area is h into
B.
what is B? H into B. H into
B.
B. Such two are there. Two such faces are there. H into B
B.
plus H into B. Understood all of you?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. So we have a LH plus LH
SLH.
and HB
HB
plus
plus
HB.
HB.
HB plus
HB.
HB. Okay. So once again, I will explain. This is a cuboidal box. Cuboidal box. Okay. We are going to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Lateral surface area, I explained. Lateral surface area, example. Okay, you imagine your room. The four walls are the lateral surface area. So for this box, lateral surface area is the surface area of the sides. Four faces are there on sides. Front, back. Front face and back face are similar. And two side faces are similar. Okay. For the front face, we have L and H. It is rectangular in shape. So this is H and this is L. We know that side into side, L into B, length into breadth. Okay, for this rectangle we have L and H. So LH is the area of this front face. Just like the front face, we have a similar face on back. Okay, so again one LH, LH plus LH. Okay, and the two side faces, and their length are H and B. Sides are H and B. For this rectangular box, the sides of this two faces are H and B. So its area are HB plus HB. All of you understood how that two LH and two HB came?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2 LH we can write 2 LH. Okay. And plus 2 HB. 2 LH and HB.
B.
Okay. Okay. So now we have 2 is common in these two. H also common. 2H is common in those two terms. So we can take that 2H in bracket. 2H outside. In bracket what comes? In bracket what comes, Rudra?
LB.
Rudra. In bracket it is when we take 2H outside, what remains in the first term? What remains there? Rudra, we took 2H outside. Rudra, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rudra, from the first term, 2LH, I took 2H outside. What remains there? 2H, I took outside. What's remaining there? Rudra. Rudra.
LH.
LH, 2 and H I took outside. What's remaining there? Again H is there. What's remaining there?
LB.
No, I'm asking about this first term. From this single term, 2H I took outside. What is remaining? Rudra, what is remaining? 2h I took outside. What is remaining there? Joseph, what is remaining there?
2LB.
No, from 2LH. I took 2 and H. What is remaining there? L, only L.
L,
Rudra, Rudra, where is Rudra?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understood? 2H, 2 and H we took outside. What is remaining there in that term?
L.
Only L, only L. Plus again Rudra, from the second term, 2H we took outside. What is remaining?
L.
Rudra. B, yes, yes, it is B. 2H we took outside. This 2H we took outside. Remains is B only. So 2H into L plus B. 2H into L plus B is the lateral surface area of cuboid.
Cuboid.
One second. One second. One second. Lateral surface area of the cuboid is surface area of cuboid equal to 2H into L plus B. Okay, all of you write and put this in a box. Lateral surface area of cuboid equal to lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2H into L plus B. Lateral surface area of cuboid equal to 2H into L plus B. Only this formula is enough. If you want, you can write 2H into L plus B. Hira, what is lateral surface area of cuboid?
2H into L plus B.
Okay, 2H into. Write this formula 15 times today itself. Lateral surface area. Write that lateral surface area of a cuboid equal to 2H into L plus B. Okay, all should write. Saiba? Yes.
15 or 50.
15. 1 5. 15.
Okay, ma'am.
Saiba, lateral surface area of a cuboid is
2H into
2H into
L plus B.
L plus B. Okay, Surya Narayan, lateral surface area of cuboid is
2 into
2H. Say 2H
2H into L plus B.
Once again,
2H into L
you
plus B.
read, you say in that way. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is. Say in that
Lateral
way.
surface of the area of cuboid is 2H into L plus B.
2H into L plus B. Lateral surface area of a cuboid equal to 2H into L plus B. Asan, say.
Lateral surface of area of cuboid is equal to 2H into L plus B.
Okay, 2H into L plus B. 2H into L plus B. Okay. Now we are going to find total surface area of cuboid. Okay. Total surface area of cuboid. Give heading. Total surface area of cuboid. TSA. Total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. For total surface area, we need to consider all the 6 faces. For total surface area, we need to consider all the 6 faces. Okay. For lateral surface area, we include only, we consider only 4 faces. Okay. But for lateral surface area, we need to take all the 6 faces. 6 faces. Okay. For lateral surface area, LH. 2 LH we write. LH plus LH. Then BH plus BH. Up to this 4. LH. Like 2 LH. BH. 2 BH. Okay. Now, top and bottom also. Top and bottom. Salin, top area will be what? Top. Is this height? Length, and this one is? This is? Length, and this is? Breadth. Yes. Yes, good. So we have plus LB plus LB plus LB. Okay, LB plus LB. So we have 2LB, 2BH plus 2HL. 2LB, 2BH and 2HL. Okay, so we have, for taking the total surface area of cuboid, we need to consider the 6 faces. For lateral area, we consider only the 4 sides.
4 sides.
Back and 2 sides only we consider. Okay, but for TSA is what? TSA is?
Total surface
area. For total surface area, we need to consider all the 6 faces. That is HL, front and back. BH and BH, 2 sides. Along with, that much for lateral surface area. Along with, we need to consider the top and bottom. That is LB. 2 LBs are there. So 2 LB plus 2 BH plus 2 HL. Total 6 faces. We are considering all the 6 faces of the cuboid. Okay. So we can take 2 outside. Remains, Anantida, remains what in bracket?
LB
plus
BH plus
LB plus BH plus HL plus HL. Okay, therefore TSA or total surface area. Total surface area. Area of what? Of total
cuboid.
Cuboid equal to 2 into
LB plus LBH plus HL.
LB plus
HL. But L is the, okay, L is the length of the cuboid, and B is the breadth of the cuboid, and H is the
height of the cuboid.
The cuboid. Okay, so write this in a box. This formula also you have to write how many times? You will write 15 times. Good. 15 times today itself. Okay, don't forget. So lateral surface area and total surface area of cuboid we have studied. Okay, so once again we will revise. Cuboid have how many faces, Jeff? A cuboid has 6 faces.
6 faces.
Front, back, top, bottom and sides. Okay. So lateral surface area means area of how many sides? Area of
4 sides. 4
sides. For example, for lateral surface area, always you remember the room where you are sitting. Only the 4 walls. Lateral surface area of your room means only the 4 walls.
Okay.
Total surface area, we will include our ceiling and floor. That is top and bottom. Understood what is a cuboid? Okay. So for lateral surface area, we are taking only the 4 faces, and formula is, Alia, for lateral surface area, formula is lateral surface area of cuboid. Formula is what, Alia?
2 LH plus 2 BH.
Okay, no need to say that.
2H into L plus B.
Only that is needed. Okay. Within seconds, you have to say. Alia, say that. Lateral surface area of a cuboid.
2H
Mm.
plus L.
2H into L plus B.
2L plus B.
Wait, Christo, you wait. Alia, 1 second. Lateral surface.
2H into L plus B.
Okay, 1 second, say. Say lateral surface area of a cuboid. Say in that
Lateral
way.
surface area of cuboid is equal to 2H into L plus B.
1 second.
Lateral surface area of cuboid equal to 2H into L plus B.
Okay, Vinayak, total surface area of a cuboid?
2 into
2 into?
LB plus BH plus H.
You say in that way. Total surface area of a cuboid equal to, in that way say. Vinayak. Say.
2LB plus
Vinayak, you have to start in this way. Total surface area of a cuboid equal to. Begin from the. Okay, say.
surface of a cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
1 second.
Total surface of a cuboid is
Total surface area. Total surface area. Say.
Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B.
2 into, wait, 2 into?
LB plus
B plus
BH plus HL.
Once again, Vinayak say, others, keep quiet. Vinayak say clearly.
total surface of a area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
Okay, one, who will say next? Jeff, can you hear me, Jeff? No. Rudra, lateral surface area of a cuboid. Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Lateral surface area of a cuboid is?
2HL into L plus B.
No, again you are making the same mistake. Lateral
2H
surface.
into L plus
2H into L plus B.
Wait, Rudra. Did you write in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
I will show. I think you have written wrongly. The same way you have written 2H into L plus B. You check in your book. Rudra, you check in your book. This is the way you have written in your book. Then so you read it.
2 into H
No,
L plus
2H into Rudra. Okay, 2H into read. 2H into L plus B.
2H into L plus B.
Read lateral surface area of a cuboid. Read.
Lateral surface area of cuboid 2H into L plus B.
Once again.
Lateral surface area of cuboid 2H into L plus B.
Lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to. Read.
If lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2H into L plus B.
Okay, before writing 15 times, you have to read 10 times first, Rudra. Then write. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next class, we will do problems on area of surface area, both total surface area and lateral surface area cuboid. Okay, before that, you should be thorough with the formulae. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. So our time is up. We will do problems on next day. Okay. Bye, all of you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Hira. Wait. Hira.
How many students are there in the class?
32.
Eh? 32.
32 students.
Now only 15 are there.
17 participants.
17, that is including the teacher and me.
Teacher and sir.
There are only 15 students. Deepa, make a note
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
and
I will.
tell
Okay.
Vinita.
Vinita,
tell
ma'am.
Vinita.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Why they are missing class like this, I don't know. And
Sir, unmute, sir. We can't hear you, sir. Unmute. Okay.
Christo,
Christo,
can you hear?
Yes, sir.
switch on your
Why
video.
your video is off throughout? Eh? From the beginning, your video was off. You have been told so.